Hi guys, I will show you how to make Bengali style egg fry or deem Kosha. Kosha in Bengali means slow cooking of spices, meat, etc. on low flame to get their distinctive flavors. This is the list of ingredients required. In a bowl, take 2 potatoes which have been cubed. Add a 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Shake the bowl well to coat the potatoes all over. Take 4 hard-boiled eggs. Prick the eggs with a fork or a toothpick to allow the spices to flavor the inside of the egg. Add a 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Again shake the bowl well to coat the eggs all over. Take a 1/4 cup water, approximately 50 ml in a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well and keep aside. Heat 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Add the potatoes and fry for 3 minutes. Turn the pieces frequently to fry all sides evenly. Now add the eggs. Fry for 3 minutes till all sides are evenly fried. At this stage, the surface of the eggs should be wrinkled, slightly crisp and a light golden brown like this. Yum! Take 3 cloves, ½ inch cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, 2 red chillies and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add them to the same oil and let them splutter for 30 seconds. Add 3 sliced onions and a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Saute on medium flame for 5 minutes till the onions start turning a light brown. Add 1 teaspoon garlic paste and ½ a teaspoon of ginger paste and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Take care not to burn the onions. Now the onions will be beautifully caramelized, a deep golden brown and smell and taste divine. Add the spice paste. On low flame, fry the spices for 5 minutes. The moisture should dry off by now. Add 1 finely chopped tomato and a 1/4 cup water. Cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning. By now, the tomatoes will be soft and mushy and spices will have cooked well and oil will separate from the sides. Add in the fried potatoes. Toss to coat the masala well. Cover and cook on medium flame for 3 minutes or till the potatoes are cooked well. Add the fried eggs. Coat the masala well over the eggs. Add 1/4 cup water. Cover and cook on medium flame for 3 more minutes. Oh wow! The deem Kosha is perfectly done. The thick, fragrant, spicy masala is coating the eggs and potatoes. Oil is floating on the top and my kitchen is smelling amazing. Enjoy this delicious egg fry with pooris. If you like this video, please like and share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below.